Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to present about Amazon S3, which stands for Simple Storage Service. Amazon S3 is an object storage service provided by Amazon Web Services. It is used to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time from anywhere over the internet. Amazon S3 is highly scalable, durable, and secure, which makes it suitable for storing large amounts of data safely. It is widely used in cloud computing environments for backup and application storage and hosting web pages. Why Amazon S3? Now let us see why we need Amazon S3. Traditionally, on-premise storage is limited and expensive. As data grows, it becomes hard to manage and maintain. Backup and recovery process are complex and time-consuming. Providing high availability using physical services is also difficult. Amazon S3 solves this problem by providing secure, scalable, and cost-effective cloud storage. Key features of Amazon S3. Amazon S3 uses an object-based storage system where data is stored as objects. It provides unlimited storage capacity, so we can store any amount of data. It offers more durability, which means data is extremely safe. It provides high availability and fault tolerance. It also follows pay as you go more pricing model, which means we pay only for what we use. Core components. First is the bucket. It is a container used to store objects. Second is object. It is the actual file such as images, videos or documents along with metadata. Third is the key. It is a unique name of the object inside the bucket. Fourth is the region. It refers to the geographical location where the bucket is created. Amazon S3 storage classes. Amazon S3 provides different storage classes based on usage and cost. S3 standard is used for frequently accessed data. S3 intelligent tiering automatically moves data between tiers to reduce cost. S3 standard IA is used for infrequently accessed data. S3 one zone IA stores data in a single availability zone at lower cost. S3 Glacier is used for archiv- archival storage. S3 Glacier Deep Arc is used for long-term backup and compliance data. Real-world use cases. Amazon S3 is used in many real-world applications. It is used for backup and restore operations. It is used for static web page storage. It stores media files such as images and videos. It supports big data analytics. Thank you.